Hey there and welcome. Ever find yourself stuck on whether to say I work or I am working? Don't worry, you are so not alone. In this quick explainer, we're going to clear all that confusion up for good. So let's jump right in.
All right, let's get straight to the heart of it, right? The exact question that probably brought you here in the first place. Yeah, this one. I work versus I am working. It's a classic for a reason, but stick with me because by the time we're done here, you are going to know exactly which one to use every single time. No more guessing, I promise. Okay, so to really get this, you gotta think of these two tenses as having totally different jobs. They each paint a different picture of what's happening. Let's break down what each one is all about. So here's the big secret, the main takeaway. Present simple, that's for your routines, your habits, and things that are just generally true. Think of it as the always tense. The sun rises in the east. But then you've got present continuous. This one is all about what's happening right now or for a short temporary time. It's the happening now tense. So one is for always and the other is for right this second.
So how do you know which one to pick when you're actually talking? Well, there's a little trick. You look for time signals. These are like little clue words in the sentence that tell you everything.
Right. So if you're talking about something that's a general truth or a habit, you're going to use the present simple. And the clue words to look for are things like every day, always, often, on Mondays. You get the idea. They all show a pattern.
And here's a perfect example. See that phrase, every day? That's your big clue. It just screams routine. And that is exactly why we use the present simple. I go.
Okay, but what about actions that are just temporary, happening right this minute or just for a little while? That's where present continuous comes in to save the day. Your clues here are words like now, at the moment, or this week. See that? That one little word, now, completely changes the game. It tells us this is happening right at this specific moment. It's not a general habit. And that's why we need to say, I am going.
All right, so we know when to use them. Now let's talk about how to actually build the sentences, because getting the structure right is super important.
Okay, check this out. It's pretty straightforward when you see it side by side. For present simple, it's just your subject and the main verb. And please, don't forget that little s for he, she, and it. It's such a common mistake. Now for present continuous, it's like a three-part recipe. You need the subject, then the right be verb, so am, is, or are, and then you add ing to your main verb.
All right, enough with the rules. Theory is great, but the best way to really get this is to practice. So let's do just that, and we'll even look at a couple of common pitfalls so you can steer clear of them.
Okay, here's mistake number one, and it's a big one. People so often forget the be verb in the present continuous. They'll say, I working now. Nope, you need that am in there. I am working.
And the other classic mistake? Forgetting the s in the present simple for he, she, or it. It's so easy to miss, but it's not he go, it's he goes. That little letter makes all the difference. Okay, pop quiz time. You ready? Let's see if you've got this. Fill in the blank here. The clue word is right now. So what do you think? Because it's happening right now, the answer has to be
Is cooking. Of course. Present continuous. You've got she, you add is, and then cooking. Nailed it.
all right, let's try another one. This time the clue is every Monday. That sounds like a routine, doesn't it? So what's the verb going to be? Think about it. It's cooks, present simple form. You've got she and the verb cook, plus that all-important s. See? You're a pro at this already.
You're doing awesome. Okay, let's pull all of this together into a super simple cheat sheet. This is the thing you can screenshot or write down for whenever you need a quick reminder.
Honestly, if you remember nothing else, remember this slide. It's all right here. For facts and routines, use present simple. For right now or temporary stuff, use present continuous. And my final tip, always check your verb endings, that s and that ing.
And that's it. That's the whole secret. You now have everything you need to choose between present simple and present continuous like a champ. So my challenge to you is to listen for it and try using them correctly this week. You'll be amazed at how natural it starts to feel. You did a great job today.